Bangladesh is moving forward. With the ongoing socio-economic development, people from all across the country has become heavily dependent on the capital city Dhaka, causing massive congestion in the city's traffic system. Commuting inside the city is becoming more difficult than ever. The urgency to mitigate the mass transportation problems in Dhaka prompted the Bangladesh government to seek expansion and modernization of the city's mass transit system. As per the revised Strategic Transport Plan formulated by DTCA, 5 Mass Rapid Transit (MRT) and 2 Bus Rapid Transit (BRT) is being implemented to meet the ever-increasing traffic demand for Greater Dhaka and its adjoining areas. With funding from Bangladesh government and Japan International Cooperation Agency (JICA), Dhaka Mass Transit Company is implementing the MRT Line 6 as a high priority project. MRT Line 6 will run all the way from Uttara to Motichil, covering the distance of about 20 kilometers with 16 stations along the way. The stations are Uttara North, Uttara Center, Uttara South, Pallavi, Mirpur 11, Mirpur 10, Kazipara, Shaurapara, Agargaon, Bijoy Sharoni, Farmgate, Karwan Bazar, Shahbag, Dhaka University, Bangladesh Secretariat and Motichil. The approximate travel time will be a little over half an hour. During peak hours, the trains will run every 4 minutes 30 seconds with the capacity of carrying 60,000 passengers per hour. An estimated 5 lakh people will commute by MRT Line 6 every day. Once finished, it will be the most time-efficient, reliable, safe, comfortable, environment-friendly solution that will transform Dhaka into a more active, commutable and sustainable city. Dhaka Mass Transit Company, moving people, saving time and energy.